Hey guys, this is like really quick comparison between the Graco Extend2Fit and the Graco Slimfit 3. Like, what are the things that you actually need to know? So first thing first, the Slimfit 3, this one, is narrower, fits free across in the back seat, lighter, easy to carry and switch between cars, removable seat pad can be cleaned without uninstalling the seat, breathable mesh airflow channel help keeps children cooler. And you have removable cup holders. Cons: more expensive, lower rear facing weight limit, a less legroom in a rear facing position, no extendable panel, more upright seating position, less ideal for long road trips and sleeping. Now, on the other hand, with the Graco Extend2Fit, higher rear facing weight limit allows children to stay rear facing longer. Extendable legroom panel adds extra space for growing children in rear facing mode. A greater recline capability, more comfortable for long trips. Slightly more affordable. Cons: wider, harder to fit multiple car seats or adults in the back seat. Heavier, you have 21 pounds and here you have 9.2. Cup holders can be removed, take up more space, and seat pad removal requires uninstalling the car seats. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. This was like really quick and effective video. Hope it provided you value, and have a great day and goodbye.